Hello everyone. I've received a couple of questions about how to make sure you're turning in a clickable link for your introduction video, so I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to show you through YouTube. If you're not using YouTube, that's fine. Just wait till the end of the video so you can see how I'm turning it in on Blackboard, because that might be useful if you're not using YouTube. If you are using YouTube, if you have a Google account, then you have a YouTube account because Google owns YouTube. And if you have a YouTube account, you can create your own channel and post all the videos in the world there. So I'm on my YouTube channel and I've clicked content. And what I want you to notice is in this visibility column right here, it's got to be set to public. If it's not set to public, I can't see it. So what I want you to do is click on the little arrow next to it and click on public and then click publish. Now you can always go back and change the visibility, in a few weeks after I've graded it. You can change it to private so nobody can see it, or you can delete the video altogether. I don't care. But for the purposes of this particular assignment, I have to be able to click the link and see the video. So make sure it says public, and then these three little dots right here, you're going to click that and click Get Shareable Link. When you click that, it's going to copy the link to your computer, okay? So then we're going to go over to Blackboard, and so this is what our class looks like right now in Blackboard. And you're going to click on Module 1, and you're going to click Introductions, and you're going to open up that discussion. So I have all of the instructions here. So what you're going to do is you're going to click in the response box. You're going to type your name. And then you're going to type your major if you're a traditional college student. You're going to type your high school if you're a dual enrollment student. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click this little chain picture right here at the top. That's your link picture. You're going to click that. And in the top box where the little red star is, you're going to paste your video link right there. And then in the bottom box, you're going to title the video. So Brittany's intro video. And you're going to click insert. Now you see how the text for that link, it's blue and it's underlined and the rest of the text is not? That means this is a clickable link. Okay, so I'm going to click respond, and then there it is. And if you click on that video, it sends me straight to YouTube, and it starts to play the video for me. If your video is not public, if it's set to private, I will not be able to pull up this video. So it's very important that you make sure that you are setting your video settings to public so that I can see what you're doing. If you have any questions at all, send me an email. Thanks.